So starting the test drive in this Canyon AT4 Premium, you get the same setup that you get in the Elevation, a 2.7 liter Turbo Max, the 8-speed automatic, but with everything that's included here, this just feels much more premium. You get the Bose sound system, you get a heated steering wheel, you get a power adjustable seat that's heated and cooled for both front seats. But the AT4, especially with the jet black timber, love having the brown trim here. That just looks so nice. And everything, again, just feels better in this truck as opposed to the Elevation. I'm gonna slow it down here and try and give it a pull. Here we go. So with this being a new truck, I certainly didn't want to just floor it right out the gate, and it's cold outside, but merging power is pretty good without having to redline it, as you can see. And I actually like the sounds of it. It's just an impressive truck, I think, again, for that money. Now the ride quality is pretty solid. It's not overly smooth, but it's also not really rough either. You can feel just the off-road tires a bit in the steering wheel and in the floorboard, but only because I'm looking for it. Not something that, if you're just picking this up brand new, you'll really notice. But I also like sitting up just a tad bit higher here, as opposed to the standard ride height in the Elevation. And that's another cool thing, is it doesn't really affect the ride having that 2-inch lift. At least I don't notice it. Now in terms of what you get for the money here, I do think this is a solid deal. It's under 53 grand. You have heated, cooled seats, a sunroof. The space could be better in the back seat, but again, with the power seats in the driver and front passenger, you can really manipulate the configuration to get the best setup for whoever you have in the truck, whether it's just you or if you have somebody sitting behind you or whatever. I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Canyon today. I'll leave a link below in the description. They do offer a lifetime powertrain warranty on their new vehicles that are gas powered. So this one here, if the transmission, transaxles, or the engine were to just fail on you, as long as you keep up with the maintenance, you'll be covered under that lifetime powertrain warranty. So that's the parts and labor. If you are looking to find something closer to home though, you want to make sure you get the best possible price, click on that second link down below. It takes a minute to value your information, and on whatever new vehicle you might be interested in, I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you that best price. But my final thoughts on the Canyon AT4, not a lot of updates for 25, but I am impressed with the sticker price here, because this one, compared to the Elevation I just drove that had 2-wheel drive, you have 4-wheel drive here. Again, heated, cooled seats, a sunroof, heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad, power seats on the front. And again, everything that you get with the AT4 package, the 2-speed transfer case, the 4-wheel drive, all that's included here for only $10,000–11,000 more dollars. I feel like if you can afford this, just go with this as opposed to the Elevation, just because the Elevation is so bare bones. Still a nice truck, but comparing that to this is just like night and day. Even though they have the same seating arrangement, same setup, same powertrain, this is just so much better in every single way. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Canyon AT4.